we're gonna work on the 720 kick. This is more of a flashy acrobatic technique. I do not recommend this for combat. I'm gonna throw this from my southpaw stance. So what happens is, and let's show first why this is known as the 720. I'm stepping, jumping from either here to here, jumping up in the air, spinning, crescent kick, back to here. To here, good, change in level. And I jump straight up, tucking, and then I kick once. I've done that 540 spin in the air, okay? But it's 720 degrees total. One of the ways to develop this move is get that explosive jump. Let's just do the spin without the kick. I'm here, okay? So let's look at the technique again. Standing southpaw, hopping over, good change and level here to get a good jump, jumping off of the balls of my feet, jumping up in the air, staying tucked, coming around. My left shoulder is at this corner, then the kick comes around back to my southpaw stance. This just takes a lot of practice. It's about figuring out how to jump, get height, spin, and when to throw the kick, just timing different things like that. If you just keep practicing, it'll become a very easy technique for you.